Brown University's Dr. Ashish Jha has been tapped as the new White House COVID response coordinator. Good afternoon, I'm Kim Kalunian.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. The White House announced the move in a release this morning. Jeff Zients has been holding the post for the last 14 months. 12 News reporter Chelsea Jones joins us live in studio with reaction to the news. Chelsea?
Ladies, for starters, it's clear that Brown University is excited for the next step in Dr. Jha's career, saying he is the perfect person for the job. But they also said, quote, Ashish will bring to the President Biden and our nation what he has brought and will bring back to Brown.
We've reached a new moment in the fight against COVID-19.
Jeff Zients has led the White House COVID response team for over a year. The president says the progress that he and his team have made is stunning and, even more important, consequential. Lives have been saved. White House Chief of Staff Ronald Klain took to Twitter listing all the things Zients spearheaded, like getting 215 million Americans vaccinated and the robust supply of COVID treatments. He goes on to say America owes a debt of gratitude to Jeff Zients.
The infections are down about 80% across the country. Deaths are starting to fall.
Dr. Ashish Jha is picking up the baton. This was him on CBS Mornings Wednesday. Starting April 5th, he will be the new White House COVID response coordinator. The president says he is one of the leading public health experts in America and a well-known figure to many Americans. Dr. Scott Gottlieb praised the pick, writing, as COVID enters a phase where it becomes a persistent risk requiring a new public health footing, Dr. Ashish Jha has the broad clinical experience. Here's what he said a day ago regarding where the nation is headed.
Vaccine mandates are going to be helpful for the long run, just keeping people vaccinated. So I think that's a good policy to have, but certainly mask mandates, restrictions on gatherings, I think they can start getting lifted.
I've reached out to the White House and Brown University. Brown tells me Dr. Jha will be available for media interviews after he begins in his new post on the 5th. They also expect to announce his temporary replacement in the coming days. In the studio, I'm Chelsea Jones, 12 News.
First at 5 tonight, President Biden has appointed Dr. Ashish Jha as the new coordinator for the nation's COVID response. Thank you for joining us. I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. 12 News reporter Chelsea Jones takes a look at reaction and how Dr. Jha has navigated the pandemic. Chelsea?
Shannon and Mike, Dr. Jha came to Brown from Harvard. While here, he says he's worked to improve public understanding and information, and that he was honored at the president's invitation to continue that work. Dr. Ashish Jha has been tapped to be the new White House COVID response coordinator. He starts April 5th, and Brown University will be selecting an interim head to lead the School of Public Health in his absence. But in the over 2 years the nation has dealt with the COVID-19 pandemic, Dr. Jha has been outspoken.
The idea of 200 people gathering indoors when 40% of our adults and about half of our population isn't vaccinated that's a pretty high-risk event if a lot of those people are unvaccinated.
This really is something we should have been on top of for months, and I'm disappointed that this is where we are as a country right now.
As the nation slowly made progress in fighting COVID-19, restrictions were eased. But like Dr. Jha said in this tweet back in December regarding isolation times, he publicly disagreed, citing the changes he would have made to the new policy.
The infections are down about 80% across the country. Deaths are starting to fall.
As things improve, he says the relaxing of restrictions is forthcoming.
The question is, what restrictions should the government be putting on people? In that context, I think lifting those restrictions really does make sense.
But he warns the pandemic isn't over and we must prepare for surges and variants. President Biden said in a quote that as we enter a new moment in the pandemic, executing on his national COVID preparedness plan and the ongoing risks, Dr. Jha is the perfect person for the job. In the studio, I'm Chelsea Jones, 12 News.